out of here. Can you have that?
Okay. Hold on, Ainsley. Ainsley.
Easy, easy, easy.
Ainsley.
Easy,
Listen.
easy. Jesus. This is new.
She likes it.
Ainsley. Go away from her if you're going to jump.
Good. Careful, Ashley, you don't want to break your leg. Like you made it do on the trampoline.
Alright, stay away from her, Ainsley, if you're going to jump. You want to come out? Come on. No? Okay. Ainsley, go on the other side if you're going to jump.
Oh, she's getting the knack.
Yeah. It's going to take her
Let's hold hands.
a little bit to get the feel of it.
Okay.
Little jumps. Just, yeah. A wild thing. Hey, don't drag her because it'll burn her skin.
Look, she thinks it's funny.
It's good for getting her balance.
She's
Good
won
try.
already. She's won.
Woo!
Big bouncy. It's so funny.
Come here.
I
No.
want to come here every
She's happy.
time.
Careful, Ainsley.
She likes it.
Not that high.
Like this.
Hey, I don't want to have to tell you again. Pull up your pants.
Okay, let's do it together. Oop. You can...
You want to come out? No.
Let's dip it up so she don't fall.
No, leave it alone. Huh?
Hold hands.
No, she doesn't want to. She doesn't have to, Munchkin.
Oh.
She doesn't want to hold your hands, Ainsley.
Yes. Is this good? She thinks it's funny.
Whoa. You okay?
You can't. You can't. We're not there.